Meet the Jetwave J5500K-IND low trigger force industrial spray gun. The bigger and more industrial big brother of our Jetwave J5500K red spray gun. Designed for higher pressure, it comes with a few extra features to take your cleaning to the next level. It boasts high pressure rating of 5800 PSI, 400 bar, a max flow rate of 35 litres a minute, and can handle temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. Made from stainless steel, brass, and SGS-certified polymer plastics, this gun is built to endure the toughest of cleaning tasks. The J5500K coupling has been upgraded to stainless steel, enhancing corrosion resistance while maintaining the fast changeover system for lances, nozzles, floor cleaners, and accessories. Say goodbye to wasting time with ball valves or turning the machine off to swap attachments. That simple. The biggest upgrade, the 360-degree live stainless steel ball bearing supported swivel, which makes hose management on the job site a breeze, even with a line pressure unloader valve. This feature also helps extend the life of your hoses by preventing constant twisting. As a low trigger force gun, it still delivers 90% less holding force and 55% less trigger force compared to other standard spray guns on the market, reducing hand and arm fatigue for operators. This means you can get more done with less strain on your body. Now available online and can be delivered straight to your door at jetwave.com.au. Get your hands on the latest innovative machines and accessories for the high pressure cleaning market, all from your local experts at Jetwave. With experience centres in Victoria, Western Australia, and dealers across Australia, we've got you covered when it comes to cutting edge high pressure cleaners and water jetting systems, and a full range of spare parts and accessories. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tools from Jetwave. Stay tuned for more ways to power up your cleaning game.